Hey gorgeous, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Miss Tootie. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back, and if you are a new subscriber, thank you so much for joining, and welcome to the Gorgeous Gang. So for today's tutorial, I am giving you a green cut crease. Pretty simple. I mainly use the Crayon Case matte book, but I also did use the Juvia's Place Zulu palette, and also the Beige Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. So y'all already know I don't like holding the intro long, and if you are interested in seeing how I achieve this look, you already know what to do. Pick up a brush and keep on watching. This gang, so to start off, I'm taking my True Complexion Black Radiance palette. I'm taking that middle shade and apply that under my brow bone and a little bit down from it. And my original plan was to do that so I wouldn't blend my green all the way up, but as you can see, I did take my green up. So this clip is kind of like pointless, but I just still decided to throw it in there. So I'm going in with the matte book from the Crayon Case, and I'm just pointing out all the shades that I'm going to be using. So I'm just pretty much using all of the greens, and then I'm going to put in that yellow. This is just like a flat brush. I'm taking that color and I'll be applying that in my crease. Moving right along, I'm going in with that middle green shade, and I'm taking my Morphe M506 to pack that on top of that darker green. And once I pack around the corners, I do start blending up a little bit. After I start blending, I go in with that same brush. I just pretty much wipe it off on a paper towel that I have sitting, and I'm gonna go in with that lime green and that yellow. I'm just gonna mix those together and pretty much blend that up to my brow bone. So I think I kind of did my other eye different, so you'll see me pretty much referencing back to my other eye to see what I did, because girl, I got confused. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and just pretty much keep blending until it pretty much looks like my other eye. Alright, so now I'm going to take my Morphe M139 brush, and I'm going to go ahead and take that middle green shade, and I'm pretty much going to go back in with it because it looks like it's more yellow than green from what I was really shooting for. So as you can see, I'm just going to do some windshield wiper motions, and this is basically to ensure that everything is actually blended in together, because it was looking kind of like spotty and patchy. And again, I wanted to make sure that my both eyes look the same, because I think I kind of did this one different. Alright, moving right along to cut our crease, I am taking this LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Creamy Beige. And to cut the crease, I'm using this Morphe brush. This actually came in a set. I'm not sure if it was purchased online or in store. It was gifted to me, so I'm not too for sure on that. But yeah, I'm just gonna cut my crease. As you can see, I'm still working on perfecting my cut crease. It was still kind of off, but you know, your girl still gonna make it do what it do. So yeah, I'm just gonna cut my crease, and then I'll come back on the next step. Okay, so for the lid shade, I'm actually going in with the Beige Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. And as you can see, I took that matte lime green shade, and I'm just going to apply that all over my lid. and I will be using a Urban Studio brush. This came in a set, so it really doesn't have a name. I did want to add some shimmer as well, so you'll see me going in with my Juvia's Place the Zulu palette, and I'll take that that metallic green and put that pretty much on top. Okay, so now that we are actually complete with our eyeshadow look, I'm going to go ahead and start doing my eyeliner. This is the same eyeliner that I always use, the Wet n Wild Mega, I think it's like the Mega eyeliner in the shade Black. And I'm just going to create my wing to my liking. After that, I do go in with another liquid liner. It's from Absolute New York, and it's part of like a cotton candy line or something like that, and that shade for the eyeliner that I put in my crease was called Mint. Alright, so as always, I do my foundation off camera because I do have a separate routine. It's pretty much still the same as my video, and of course it will be linked below. I just wanted to put this clip in there just because. So I'm currently highlighting, and I use the Crayon case highlighter in the number 15, and under that I put my Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Deep. And then to conceal, as you see, the darkening concealer, that is from Makeup Revolution, and that is in the shade, it's like C15, C16, it's one of those. And to blend that out, my highlight, I'll be using my Real Technique setting brush, and to blend out my contour, Jesus Christ, don't start, girl. I'm gonna go in with another Real Techniques brush, and I think it's like the Expert blending brush or something like that, and I'll just use that to blend out my contour. To finish off the remainder of the eye, I'm going back in with my Morphe M506, and I'm actually going in with that second green shade that I used on my eye, and I'm just going to smoke that on my lower lash line. And off camera, I did apply mascara on my lower lashes as well, and I did use the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Alright, moving right along to the highlight, I'm taking this Juvia's Place Loose Pigment highlight in the shade Nefertiti, and I'm going to highlight, of course, the main areas, cheekbones, bridge of the nose, and cupid's bow. And to apply that, I'm using a clean Real Techniques setting brush. And y'all, I'm still trying to learn how to apply my highlight with loose pigments. For me, it's not difficult, but it's still kind of different because it's a loose pigment and it's not pressed in. So if it look funny, y'all, I'm trying to work on it, you know what I'm saying? I'm working, but it still look kind of good to me. But I want it to look like it's pretty much melted in my skin. So that's why you see here I'm going in with my brush that I use for my powder to put it on top of my highlight so it can look like, you know, I'm glowing from within. And to highlight my inner corners, I'm taking the Take Me Back to Brazil palette by Beige Cosmetics, and I'm taking that light lime green with the shimmer and putting that on the inner tear ducts, because baby, we a slime today. It's slime season, so we going all out. We everything green, everything. Okay, for the lips, I'm gonna keep it pretty natural. Y'all know I live for a natural lip. I really don't like doing color no more. I like simple, you know, simple is good, nothing wrong being simple. But I'm gonna line my lips with like a brown lip liner, and I'm gonna go in with this MAC lip gloss. I don't know what shade this is. I bought this from Ulta, and I'm just gonna put that on top, and I think this is gonna be my yes girl, I think this is gonna be my go-to lip gloss because I like the application. I like how it looked on me. It's not too, it's still kind of thick, but it's like, it's just right, and I love it.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
Right, so of course everything is done. We want to be sure to set our skin, because guess what? We cannot be looking like no ghost. And this is the Milani Make It Last spray that I just used to spray my skin, and this is the completed look. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget, tell your mother, your cousin, your sister, your auntie, your uncle to come join the gorgeous gang. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see y'all in the next video.